Hello, handsome.
Well, hi. Do you come
How are you doing?
often? You sure are a beautiful Filipina.
Are? Charot.
You married?
No.
You're in a relationship?
Secret.
Secret? Secret? Yes, all right.
Secret.
Okay, well, I want to know.
You want to know?
Who's the lucky man?
Secret.
Secret.
So, as usual.
All right, this is it. This is the last day. Nope. I don't want any peddlers talking to me right now. Last day at the Outback here. Beautiful little resort down here on Barrio Barretto. We stayed on one of the second floor on the back side of the hallway. We didn't get one of these balcony rooms. Nice room, nice and spacious, great shower, very comfortable. Air was too cold at points, but that's okay. We really had a nice little stay here. I didn't get any of this beach though, so we're gonna come down and show you a little about this beach. Oh my God, it's a sunny day. I can feel the sun baking on me already. It feels great. Yeah, this is into the sun, but you can get a little idea of what's going on that way. And this is where we were yesterday. We were up in the hillside here. And we jumped into a couple of these little resorts. We will show you. You'll see that. You'll see it. How cool that was. I mean, how fun was that yesterday? That was fun. Ann and I had a good time walking up and down and around here, and the strip. We'll show you all the little strip areas. Quick little glimpse of the beach here, Subic Bay. A lot of military history here, guys. Beautiful. I love these hillsides, how they just come up out of the ocean. Hello, close up. Hello, close up. Ooh.
And some?
Eat that red pepper.
Huh?
Eat that red pepper.
Oh, so
The whole thing. What up, beautiful people? Last day, Subic Bay. Yes, with beautiful Ann and I.
Hello.
Yes, hi.
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 How are you?
How are you? I'm good. How are you?
I'm good.
Are you good?
Yes.
Is that like super close up? Hi. Mm-hmm.
Hola, amigo.
Of course I'm filming. Beautiful boats. Let me see the sign. Hello, hello. Look at all these people looking to get out on the lake. Hello, everyone. Look at all the boats out here, you guys. Beautiful, beautiful bay. Arizona Resort. I like all these boats. I don't know the name of these boats, but these little side shooters are great. Just got a bug in my mouth. Shut my mouth, I guess. Arizona Resort. Looks
Hello.
kind of neat. Well, hi there.
How are you?
I'm good. How are you, beautiful?
I'm always.
Yes, you are. And this is, again, the beach side of all the resorts we passed on the strip last night. Lots of boats. Lots of boats, people. Beautiful water. Cool boats. Everybody wants to know if we want to take a boat ride or a jet ski or utilize their little water park. Give you a close-up of one of these little outriggers. Got it strapped to a post so it doesn't get taken away in high tide. Real basic wood bench-ish.
Look at these colorful boats. In Boracay, it calls parao. Parao boats. Yep, I like this big one. Hey, Doogie Doogie. Kitty boat.
There's a big one. The Dengar. All wood. Yes. Fishing nets. Outriggers. Cool. Really cool.
Look at this guy. It's easy. Hi.
Sand in my shoes, everybody. Got some sand in my shoes. Everybody wants us to rent, so we're telling them that we will tomorrow. Yep, we're gonna do it tomorrow.
Tomorrow.
Even though what? We're not gonna be here? No, we're not gonna be here tomorrow.
We're not gonna be here. We're heading back
Just-
to Angeles today.
Today. It's just easier to tell them we'll do it tomorrow.
Yes. Because we're not here tomorrow.
Bandwagon, day cruise, bay cruise. Ooh, jet boat. Dragon boat, UFO. Tomorrow!
Suggest kita namin madam sa isang oras po, 3-5 po sa isang oras.
Beautiful beach here. This is actually a nice part of the beach.
Yes.
With tide out, it really is beautiful right now. Very beautiful. The beaches too. Hi. Beautiful. Suzuki Beach Resort. Let's look inside this. This thing doesn't look like it's moved in a while. Oh, got the steering wheel. It's actually got an engine in here to help get along. Doesn't look in the best shape. Yeah, it's actually got a fiberglass shell underneath the front end. Where's the prop? Oh, there's the rudder. Doesn't look like looks like the prop. This is gutted. This is no longer in use. Big prop on this one. This one actually looks like it's probably functional yet. But look at the colors. Neat boats, outriggers. That's got benches. That's a big tourist one there, I bet. It's got a bathroom too.
With bathroom.
With the bathroom. Look at this little rudder. Little steering wheel. Looks like a bike tire that they strapped on for a wheel. And it's got a little engine hidden underneath that wooden cover.
Central Park Hotel.
Central Park Reef.
Reef
Same as Central Park Tower in Angeles.
in Angeles.
This is their sister hotel here on the beach in Subic.
in Subic.
Barrio Barretto.
You like it?
I like it. We will show them the view from up there. This, I don't know what this one is. We're gonna find a by the sea. It looks like by the sea, maybe. This is the one across from that bar we were on rooftop, Barcelona. I think we could see this one from the road. I think it's called By the Sea. By the sea. That's where we're at. We're by the sea. Central Park Reef. Central Park Reef. We're gonna go up and show you guys the view from up on top. Restaurant, and show you a pool on the lower level and show you a pool on the upper level. Yes.
Wow.
Wow, this is pretty cool underneath here. It's like a wading pool, like they were saying.
Ah, so this is for kids. The pool for kids.
Kids,
Yeah.
yes, families, kids. They got a bar over there, which is a nice feature.
Mini
Looks like a nice little restaurant inside. I like
cottages.
this crazy ceiling and these support pillars, and then the beach. Jeez. Central Park Reef. Central Park Reef. Is this the roof? How do we get to the roof? How do we get to the roof? This is it?
Yeah.
Okay. Ooh, look at that. Hello. Can we look out your view out there?
Okay, sir. Just be quick, sir. It's closed now.
Look at this diner, you guys. This is what,
Opens 4 p.m. until 12 midnight.
4 till midnight.
Yes.
All right, thank you. This is cool.
Down, sir, the open is at the ground floor.
Okay.
7 a.m. to 4 p.m.
Okay, thank you. Thank you. Look at it. They got a little stage here for live music or for karaoke. Look at the infinity pool. Oh, how sweet is this? Wow. Looks like you're falling off the edge of the world here, people. Woo! This is a view. This is badass. Oh my God. I was excited to see this. I mean, I'm really excited to see this. Oh, the breeze feels great. Oh my word, that's just where we came from, walking down the beach. Oh my word. What a view.
Subic
Ambiance.
ambience.
This is gonna
Good
have some
ambience.
Nice ambiance at night.
Yep.
Look at the hillside with the houses all built in. And the mountains. Ah, this is so beautiful. That's where we were, up in the hillside, checking out the little huts. And then down there, we stopped at a couple of those little beaches down the Beloy Beach Road. Oh my word, this is beautiful. This is
So this is
really-
the highest hotel here in
Yeah, and where?
here
It-
in Central Park.
In Barrio?
In Barrio Barretto.
Mm-hmm. In Barrio?
Barrio Barretto.
Yeah. Oh man, I like this. I gotta get my camera out for some real pictures.
Yep.
Oh, that's video. Wow. The hillsides of Subic, Olongapo. Barrio Barretto here. And then Subic Bay. Wow. Subic Bay, everybody. Beautiful. Beautiful place. Love the infinity pool. Blows right into the bay. Love it. Thank you. Thank you very much.
You're welcome. Good morning.
Good morning to you. Saturday, everybody. Wow. Saturday in the Reef. Wish it was the 4th of July. Do. A man selling ice cream. Do.
We're heading down.
I'm coming, Zambales, Subic Bay. Cool little mementos here. Cool little mementos. Hi. Central Park Reef.
You want to do something this?
No, we're just sightseeing. Thank you though. Thank you. Thank you, you guys. No, thank you. Hi. We're good. We're good. Wow, they attack you here. They want you to
Hi.
they want you to buy and play here a lot. Help their business, which is understandable. It's really coming alive here today. I suppose it's the weekend though, right? Yes. Looks like a local little eatery. Hangout for everybody. I do like that little water sport area here. Looks like the kids are out there enjoying it. That's something every kid could enjoy.
like
In
this.
fact, me, I would enjoy. I would enjoy that myself. To tell you the truth.
Really?
Yeah. How about you? Wouldn't you have fun out there?
Of course.
Yes. Well, this was the Palm Tree Resort from Streetside. Palm Tree Resort. So this is, again, they offer all of this fun on the water. Boat rides, fun park,
Fun.
kids having a ball.
Ice cream.
Little outbuildings you can rent. Feels like it's 300 degrees, but I'm not complaining. I really like the feel of the sun on my back right now.
300 degrees?
Does it feel like 300 to you?
No.
What's it feel like?
Kaya.